I can't see the fish.
Alright, first fish of the day. Woohoo!
That's still
good angle.
There you go. Second fish of the day. Here we go, Dad.
I just was like, blah, blah, blah.
Here we go. Second fish of the day.
It's a nice one.
That is a nice one.
Decent size.
Okay, so you hold it the
That was
same
on
way.
There we go.
the
Shiner.
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 You
Shiner, I
him
thought
left?
Yeah, no, that was on the Shiner.
Alright, son of a...
Third catch of the day. Here we go, Ed.
What do you want to go?
Here we go.
Left. Just ever so slightly. That feels so heavy now, but boy, he hit high. Yeah, but he'll bite. Well, you want to keep your pull out as much. Yeah, step. Give yourself.
You want to do this off videotape?
Yep.
Bending pretty good.
Yeah, you're up to white. Oh yeah, look at him. He's fighting now. Well, you don't want to come out.
Watch out, watch out.
I say a Laker. That's a good fish. Here he comes.
Oh!
That looks like a Laker. Don't. He's spinning. Don't lose him. Don't lose him.
Oh,
Here
sweet
he is.
looking fish.
All right.
He's up.
He's under the boat. I can't do nothing.
What do you want me to do? I'm gonna cut back just a hair for you.
Reel it in. Reel it in. Don't give him an inch.
You got it.
Watch out.
That's a nice fish.
Oh, yes!
Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry, I get excited.
Here we go.
No, do about purple.
There she is. It's a big one.
I want to get a picture of it.
God, it's good power.
That's why they're sought after.
That's nice.
Look at them.
We need the pliers. Not hooked by a lot.
I told you they don't.
He's only got one of the 3 hooks hooked on. Really? It's all good.
He's gonna want to fight, so don't.
Good one, Ty.
Where am I at? Go to the left. How much water are we at?
33. 35. Yeah. Swing them around here so we can get a...
Larry, grab my camera hunt if you want.
Hold them up a little high, I can't.
That better?
Right.
What's
You can let him go a little bit.
We're at 46.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one. Woohoo! Nice.
Oh yeah, get the big net up here.
That's a keeper, right? Oh, that's a nice
This one ain't
How we looking
no,
on
it's
the,
little.
on the thing?
He's right there.
Oh yeah, he's coming up. Well,
He's little.
he's right there, John. Go slow, go slow. Just slow down so when it gets next to John.
Nope, too much. Salmon, let it go, let it go. I can't see him.
Right here.
You want it? Yeah. Push it out.
That's...
Walk forward.
Woohoo, Eddie, he ain't even stretching him, he's over your 22.
Not 10
We're at 40. It's on.
Yeah, you can let it down.
Like,
That's a nice salmon.
Is that a keeper?
We'll find out in a second.
He's got a big fish too.
does he?
Over 22.
Whoa.
Nice job, guys.
Fish.
Everybody's caught something.
Yes, you brought it in, I didn't.
I didn't catch him. You did.
Now I gotta pee.
I know, obviously.
I got that on video. Thanks, Ed.
You can edit it. You got the pliers, Larry?
I don't.
Oh, Jesus. Don't let him get around that wire.
Okay, let it loose a little. You're not gonna do it, are you? You're gonna have to come up here.
You want to keep it tight?
No, Larry's gonna have to come up, up, Larry, up.
No, up front.
Yeah, make sure you keep tension on that. Quick, run!
Second.
Go behind it, under it.
Nope. You gotta go far enough under and scoop up.
That's salmon, isn't it?
Yeah.